How to fix scan issues in HP OfficeJet Pro 8210 printer series. Open your browser and search for this website support.hp.com. You will find this website. Scroll down and here in this box you need to type printer model name which you are going to fix a scan issue for. As you can see, I have typed the printer model name here and I'm getting the search result. This is the exact match with the printer which I'm looking for, which is HP OfficeJet Pro 8210 printer series. So you can click on it, otherwise you can click on submit. Now it is searching for the printer and you will find this page where you can see printer model name and its image. Now just scroll down and you will find software, drivers and firmware. Click on it. After clicking, this page will open where you can see all drivers for this printer. So under all drivers there are various drivers available for this printer for various issues and operations. So because here we are going to fix scan issues, so we'll select this one, which is diagnostic tool, which fixes installation and driver issues in our printer. Click on plus icon and you will find its name. Name is HP Print and Scan Doctor for Windows. If you want to know more about this driver, you can click on this icon and you can see all details about this driver. So now we are going to download it by clicking on download. After that, download page will open where you can see here is your file and file is downloaded now with the name of hppsdr.exe. Now we are going to launch it by clicking on this arrow icon. So you will find two options here. You can directly launch it by clicking on open. Otherwise you can view in folder in your file manager. So I'm going to launch it. Now file is extracting. After extract, it will ask your permission to make changes in your device. Click on yes. Now HP Print and Scan Doctor is launched, and as you can see there are only two steps to fix issue. First, choose your product, and second, it will find and fix problems automatically. So we need to click on a start button for doing it, but before that make sure your printer and your PC should be connected in same Wi-Fi network so that the software could detect your printer and fix the issue. Now we are going to click on start. Now it is searching for the products available in the same network, but there is no any printer available in my network. That's why I'm getting this message. But if any printer will be detected in your network, then it will display you here and you can select that product and follow on screen instructions to fix the issue. I have already covered this topic in another video, so I'll provide that link in this video description, otherwise in form of card in this video right side. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you want any further help, you can call us on the given number in this video description, otherwise you can click on the support link.